Hi everyone, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. I recently upgraded my home security camera system to a Viewtron all IP camera system. In this video, I'm going to walk around and show you the placement of where I installed all my cameras, then give you a demo on the NVR to show you what everything looks like. First off, I have two security cameras mounted above my garage doors. This one on the left monitors basically my entire driveway, and the one on the right monitors part of the driveway and the walkway leading up to my front door. You could see that I used the new Viewtron junction boxes, those round junction boxes, to mount these. These are 4 megapixel AI security cameras that have built-in artificial intelligence. Next up is the security camera mounted in my front door area. You're probably wondering why I have 2 cameras mounted here, and the reason is I have both Cat5 network cable and coax cable run to this location, and sometimes I do comparison tests comparing IP cameras to HD coax cameras. You'll also notice that the IP camera that I've mounted here is the one on the left. It doesn't yet use one of our new round junction boxes. I will be switching that out. I haven't gotten around to upgrading all the junction boxes around my house yet. Next up is another AI camera that monitors the side of my yard on the north side of the property. On the left side, I have a Dome AI camera, and the main difference between the Viewtron Bullet and Dome AI camera is the Bullet has a motorized varifocal lens, whereas the Dome is a fixed lens, but they're both 4 megapixel and they both have all the same AI functions and object detection built in. Next is the security camera that monitors my backyard. You'll notice I have a big junction box installed back here, and the reason is I also have a wireless access point back here. That has nothing to do with the security camera system. That's so that I have internet access if I'm working on my back patio. That's another 4 megapixel IP camera AI, same as the 2 front cameras and the 1 side. And it does a great job of monitoring my backyard, which right now is a pool construction zone. In addition to those 6 cameras that I have permanently installed on my house, I also use this Viewtron wireless IP camera in different positions just as I need it. For example, right now I have it installed on my patio because we've been keeping an eye on this area at night because we have a raccoon coming in and I'm trying to figure out why he's coming in. Also, when we go on vacation, sometimes we put one of these Viewtron wireless IP cameras in by our cat's water bowl and food bowl, just to make sure she doesn't run out of water. We have someone take care of her while she's gone, but we like to check in on her and make sure that she's okay. So those are really nice. Once you have them configured, you could just plug them in anywhere and they'll connect to the Viewtron NVR and sync up, and they work great as well. Next, I'm going to move over to the NVR and show you what the views look like from each of these cameras. So let's start off, again, these are all Viewtron IP cameras, and let's start off with the 2 that are mounted above my garage door. Here's the view from the one on the left that monitors the driveway, and here's the one on the right that captures the edge of the driveway on the right side, and then the walkway leading up to my front door. Those were both 4 megapixel AI cameras. This one at my front door, this is a 4K Viewtron IP camera, but the 4K models do not have the artificial intelligence. On the north side of my house, this is another 4 megapixel AI camera. And on the south side of my house, this is also a 4 megapixel IP camera AI, but that's the Dome model. You can see the construction zone in my backyard here, my pool being built, another 4 megapixel Viewtron IP camera here. And then this is a 1080p 2 megapixel wireless IP camera that I'm using right now on my back patio. And then this is just the 7 camera view that I kind of leave the NVR on. As you saw, I have a pretty typical home security camera setup here at my house. The entire front yard is covered, the side yards are covered, and my backyard is well covered as well. Pretty typical, a 6 to 8 camera system for a home security camera system is very typical. We design these all day at CCTV Camera Pros. I have a bunch of other videos. I do a lot of testing here at my house, and if you want to see additional videos, you can go to www.cctvcamerapros.com/Mike, If you have any questions for me, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I can be reached at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. Thank you for watching.